Hi guys. In this video we will present to you Cyber Prot 3.0. What is Cyber Prot? Cyber Prot will keep you safe from potential cyber attacks, ransomware, and any other suspicious programs on your computer that might be spying against you, or collecting your data, or trying to harm you in any way. Staying safe when browsing online should be one of your priorities. It includes having strong protection against potential attackers that might be sniffing for your information or for things that they can attack you with. Ransomware is all too common today, especially if you tend to download items from questionable sources online. With Cyber Prot, you'll make sure you don't have ransomware on your computer and delete it efficiently if you have it. It will offer you real-time protection against all sources that might harm you, as well as blocking and stopping potential infections on your computer. It's easy to use and is very effective, even if you don't know about such programs. User-friendly and effective Cyber Prot is made for beginners, even for those that have no experience with such programs. It's easy to configure this application. You can turn its features on/off with just a mouse click, and the application will do the rest for you. Of course, it will always ask you before it tries to delete a program or a file from your computer, for instance. Additionally, you'll get tooltips and more information about each function. It will enable you to get the most out of this application. If you're a beginner, then it's recommended that you read these tooltips before you start using those features yourself. Otherwise, you should not have that many problems with the installation and use of this app. Visit our site in description and get more info about Cyber Prot 3.